Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. This is Nova Dollar Investments. It's been long overdue. Wanted to do a video update on my M1 Finance account progress on the journey from from 10,000 to $1 million. Want to show you. I'm going to go over some of the dividends that we've earned this month, and also go over where we stand as far as the account, how much we're bringing in per month, what our progress is, and so on and so forth. So let's get this started. So as you can see, as of today, 9 May, the account sits at $11,828. And since the last time we've updated, see for the week. So for the week we're up 3% this week, which is about $266 in market gain. It has been a bloody week this week. I know yesterday was pretty brutal to start, and then the market recovered a little bit towards the end. Let's take a look at some of the activities in the account as far as dividends goes. So as you can see, on the 8th of May, Lowe paid us 81 cents. We also had 92 cents from TLT-TW, the buy right covered call ETF. Also SQM paid us 83 cents. BNDX, which is the international bond ETF, paid us a measly 1 cent. That's okay. It's going to snowball into more. JEPI paid us $1.23 on the 6th of May. We also got JEPQ coming in at 116. JEPI coming in at $6.28, which I think that's our biggest dividend payout of the month of May. And a few of the ones that I didn't update you on. JP Morgan came in at $1.30. SVOL finally getting started there, $1.15. Now let's take a look at some of the holdings that we have in the account. As you can see, I'm still holding on to VU is one of my top allocations, followed by the domestic growth domestic growth fund that is the M1 Finance Specialty Pie. I promise I'm gonna go through each specialty pie in an upcoming video and show you exactly what are in those holdings. But here's a snapshot at what sits in the accounts, or what the holdings are in the account currently. I'm going to be adding a few individual stocks that I like, such as Google, Amazon, Apple, Berkshire Hathaway, AVGO, Eli Lilly, XOM, Meta, Microsoft, NVO, Nvidia, PBR, Shell, TSM, Tesla, and Walmart. And then I'm gonna get rid of JEPI. The reason why is because I'm not as big of a fan of these Defiance ETFs like most people are. I think in the future JEPI will be on its way to doing a reverse split. Because if you look at the price action, every time the dividends gets paid out, the NAV goes down, and I'm not really real comfortable with holding something like this, especially in such a small account when income is not really our goal. Our goal is really growth. I like holding these. I like holding these ETFs, these covered call ETFs, because I like. I think psychologically seeing the dividends roll in is a confidence boost, but not at the expense of NAV. So JEPI is going to be on its way out, and I'm going to go ahead and load up on some of the best companies in the U.S. when it comes to revenue and market cap. As you can see, I still hold M1 Finance finally added YMAX and YMAG, so I'm holding those now in this account. I'm hoping to build those up in the coming future. I'm going to stick with those. QQQY, I'm not really sure of, but for now we'll hold on to it. I added Devo since the last time I updated. I really like this ETF, and I plan on holding it long term. And then here you can see some of the others that we have in here: FEPI, ULTY, IBIT, FB, the Bitcoin ETFs here, and some other individual stocks like Clearwind, ITW, and ACE. I really like ACE. If you look at ACE, ACE's performance, ACE Technology performance over the last week, you see we're up 5% this week. If you look at the monthly, that's grayed out. Let's look at the year to date. The year to date, we're up 2% on this in this holding. I really like this holding. I plan on holding it for a while and building that our investment in that particular holding. Moving over to the dividend tracker. So what I use the dividend tracker dashboard here from dividendtracker.com. I'm going to put a link in the description. If you want to sign up, please use that link. I'm also going to put a link to M1 Finance as well. So please support the channel by signing up using the links below. But here you can see our dividend yield ongoing is 4% annually. Yield on cost 4.6%. Our income for May is $31. Hey, we got to start somewhere, right? I could buy you a cup of coffee or something. And our annual income right now is $522. And over time you'll see we hope to build that to build those numbers up. Here I've set some average goals that I would like to meet. So yearly, for this portfolio, I would like to be bringing in $80,000 a month. Right now, it's only annually. Right now, it's only $522 annually. However, trust me, I'm confident that we'll build this thing up to where it needs to be. And then there you can see the average monthly goal, which is $6,500 a month. Currently, only bringing in $43 per month on average. Let's look at the payout calculator here. So here you can see our averages. So year-to-date income, so since January, the year began, we've brought in $140 in dividends so far. Our monthly average is $43 per month, and then the income for May is $31. And then there you can see that. There you can see the annual income per month again. Here you can see a chart on the forecast of how much dividends we'll be bringing in over the next few months. As you can see, in June, it looks like we're bringing in June is probably going to be one of our highest months. Looks like we're bringing in a little over $60 in dividends, and then you can see our next highest is around $65 in dividends. So this is December, later on this year. So looks strong, looks healthy. Looking to build on this, and I can't wait to see this account grow, and I can't wait for you all to see to join me on this journey and to see the results. Weekly summary. So here we see all the dividends that's coming in this week. So for May, for the 6th to the 12th, you see that we're going to be bringing in $10 in dividends. That's basically coming in from BNDX, JEPI, JEPQ, JPY, Lowe's, and TLTW, as you saw on the last screen. And then next week, the 13th to the 19th, we're bringing in $6 total. YMAG and YMAX will be our payers for that week. And then from the 20th to the 16th to the 26th, you'll see we're bringing in $12. Ooh, and that's DES, right? That's the Wisdom Small Cap Fund. One of these funds are sitting in this ETF is basically sitting in one of the M1 Finance specialty pies. And then you see DON. DON is also a U.S. mid-cap dividend fund, which is also sitting in the M1 Finance domestic. Let's see, domestic dividend specialty pie, expert pie is what they call it officially. And then you'll see FEPI here bringing in a nice chunk of change. Here you see FEPI is bringing in $2 for that week. ULTY is bringing in a solid $9, which is awesome. You know what? M1 Finance just recently added ULTY tickers to their platform. Previously, you could not invest in it. I guess the volume was low initially when the YieldMax first came out with this. However, now you're able to invest in it on the platform. And then for the final week of May, the 27th to the 31st, you'll see that we're gonna be bringing in $2.99 from DGRO, Devo, SVOL, and QQQI, and then that gives us the total of $31 for the month of May. So very excited about what's to come. Just wanted to stop here, make a video, and show you all an update on basically what the account looks like currently. So here you can see I wanted to play around with the feature value calculator within the dividend tracker. It's a really cool feature that they have here, and you can take a look. You can actually predict what your dividend income would look like and what your actual portfolio would look like in a specified number of years. So for 10 years, right now the account is sitting at $11,800. Our monthly contributions remains $1,200 a month, and the annual dividends currently, as you saw on the dashboard, is sitting at 4.7%. Growth rate right now is at 3%, and share price growth right now we're looking at around 12% annually. Right, so last year we did around 12.7% for the year. So with that, for 10 years, let's calculate that. So 10 years. Where would our account be sitting at? So if we keep this up for the next 10 years, compounded, you'll see that after 10 years, the account will be sitting at around $301.662, with an annual dividend of $15 per year. And we can even get even more creative and go out 20 years and see how that affects the account. So 20 years with the same numbers. Obviously, some years we're gonna beat the 12%. Some years we're not. But let's take a look and see where the account would stand. So after 20 years, the account will be sitting at $1,681,193.86. Is where the account will be sitting at, and then 84,000 annually in dividends, which is actually where our goal is. So we have a long way to go. We're gonna get there. I'm gonna do my best to document it along the way. I gotta become more better at uploading videos more frequently. But I will get into a routine of doing that better and providing better content for you all. So please like the video, subscribe, and please comment and let me know how I'm doing, what you would like to see, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.